Why you think men are afraid to show their emotions?
Because
Good evening, my brother. What is your name and where are you from?
hi, my name is Emmanuel. I'm from Nigeria.
Alright, all Nigerian, big up on yourself. So tell me, my brother, if you were to describe yourself with one Nigerian food, what would it be?
Egusi soup.
Egusi soup. Why?
Because it's the best thing.
Alright, so Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi, and why?
Messi.
Why Messi?
It's the goat.
If I'm to book a free trip for you to go to Jamaica, what's the first thing that you would want to try?
Probably the weed.
The weed, marijuana. If you get $1 million today, what would you do with it?
Share it to the world.
Who you think hold more grudge, men or women?
Definitely.
And why you think men are afraid to show their emotions?
Because I think kind of like it's just been like that. Like it's based on our mentality and all that. Like we are built to be strong.
Alright, I know that Jamaica and Nigeria have a lot in common. So tell me, why you think most marriage or relationship don't really last these days?
Because of the cultural differences.
Would you date a Jamaican woman?
Absolutely.
Who have the better looking woman, Jamaica or Nigeria?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Nigeria.
Bias, man. But my brother, thank you so much for talking with us today. Big up yourselves, eh?